What's up, fams? We got to talk about this. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button and shout out to my gang. Oh man, not TK, y'all, not TK. Now, you guys know earlier today, I hit you guys up and I said that TK was in court today for his hearing. Now, I told you that more information was going to be released, and boy, was it released. Now, this is what's going on, and this ain't good. The defense attorney called for a hearing, right? And they were trying to get TK a bond, right? They trying to get him up out of there, okay? Now, what happened was, for the simple fact that TK's court case is started in juvenile court, which doesn't have any bonds, he never had a chance to really bond out, right? So when they then said, okay, we're going to try you as an adult, the defense attorneys felt, okay, well, legally, we have to at least give him a chance to bond out. Well, the judge said, screw all that. You ain't getting no goddamn bond, and this is why. Now, this judge is upset, and this ain't looking good. I'm going to read you guys some of this. Now, the judge is upset because of the song The Race, where he claims TK bragged about the whole situation he was in and ran from the law. Now, he went on to add while he was in court, because he gave TK a quote-unquote lashing, right? He freaking gave him a whole spiel, and he said, I don't know how many people are supposed to die. I don't know why we as a country seem to glorify bad acts by putting out records and videos. And people are following in this. It's my understanding that people throughout this country have free TK signs up or go to funds to fund his defense. And this court has a problem with it. Whoa. I don't know what this country has become when people can get out and allegedly commit heinous crimes and be glorified for it. I believe if you're fortunate enough to have a bond, that you are compelled to follow the law, and it's shown that you are not following the law, then you are not entitled to another bond. I don't care how old you are. Now, after all that was said, he then asked the defense to submit a report showing TK's financial status so he can set up a reasonable bond should he be mandated by the appeals court. Now, here's the thing. TK's money has been set up in a trust fund, right? And he doesn't even have control over his money, and nor does his family. The people who set up this trust fund was his two managers and someone who works at Sony. Now, his uncle and the father even told the judge, like, look, man, we're going to set up a good support system around TK. We want our son. We want our nephew. We want him to be okay. We're going to come down here to Texas and we will watch over him to make sure that he's okay. Now, the judge wasn't going for none of that, man, okay? He wasn't going for none of that kind of stuff. We'll see. I mean, we'll see if he's going to get that bond. I mean, it looks like the judge, it may end up setting the price. I mean, we'll see. But look, man, judging by all this stuff that the judge is saying, man, they're going to use the race against him, bro. Everything he said in the race, man, he's talking about he couldn't beat the case, da-da-da-da-da. They about to use all that against him, man. I mean, and you can tell, man, the judge wants to prove a point. Like all those people that are saying free TK, the judge doesn't like that kind of stuff, man. And this guy asked the question of like, yo, why are we supporting these kind of people? Let me tell you something. Now, to a certain extent, I can understand what the judge is saying, but let's just be real here, okay? Because negative stuff have always been supported, man. When freaking black people were being pulled off buses and beat in the freaking 50s and 60s and whatever years, that was being supported by people. When the mob was laying people down in the street with the super soakers, and John Gotti was beating cases and people were celebrating him, that was being supported. To this day, people still celebrate the mob. So, oh, this country is supporting this type of stuff. This type of stuff have always been supported in our country. So you got to get off of that, man. Now, and also to add, not to get super political, and I don't mind doing it, but in this situation, whether you're for Trump or you're not for Trump, I think we can all agree that Trump is a-hole. So even that is supported, man. At the end of the day, bad behavior has always been supported in our country. So stop acting like this is some kind of new stuff that's going on. Now, if Tay-K really did what he did, should that type of stuff be rewarded? Should that be supported? It shouldn't. I'm going to be honest and I'm going to say that. If he really went out there with people and they were taking the lives of innocent people, he shouldn't be supported. In fact, he should have no one donating money to him at all. But let's just be honest here. Let's just take a look and let's just step back. And let's be honest here, man. This whole situation doesn't only rest on Tay-K fans. There's so many artists out there that have been charged with very bad things, and their fans still support those people, okay? Sometimes, as a fan, you will overlook things. You will believe that the person is innocent. I'm not even gonna say sometimes. Listen, that's all the time, man. I can't name one artist that has a group of fans and the fans be like, he did this, guys. To the fan, everyone is innocent, man. They're always innocent. That's just what it is, man. I don't know, man. I can't explain it, but that's just what it is, man. The fan is gonna ride with whoever they like, and that's just what it is, man. You guys let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I do believe that this judge is saying some kind of truth. I do believe it, man. We shouldn't support bad behavior, but I don't know what to say, guys. You let me know what you think, man.